the only autonomous device able to stop any vehicle, from motorcycles to trailer trucks, in seconds, write the designers of this suitcase. It weighs 16 kilograms and conceals inside a 4-meter-long spike strip. It takes 5 seconds to prepare. All cops have to do is put the case down, move back at least 100 meters, and press the button. No matter if it's sand, gravel, snow, or even a flooded road, the culprit will stop after 100 meters, and you can retract the strip in a second to avoid damaging the wheels of the pursuing police cars. This system is being sold in every continent, excluding Antarctica. However, it is not always possible to lure a criminal into a spiked ambush. In that case, it's worth taking the spikes with you. The designers explain that previously, several crews, blockers, and even helicopters were required for the chase, but now 1 car and 1 policeman are enough. The secret lies in the mobile spike system. You only need to drive up to the offender's car from the side and shoot a spiked strip under the wheels. Within a minute, the tires will be flat. The system has already been used in real chases at speeds from 24 to 161 km per hour, and thanks to the bumper mounting system, it's suitable even for older police cars. This company is a leading provider of perimeter security products and has proven to be a trusted partner for the US military and a wide range of commercial clients. Not bad, right? You wouldn't know right away that they manufacture barriers similar to volleyball nets. They're also used to stop cars. During the tests, this system was able to stop a 7-ton truck at 64 km per hour. Putting the barrier back up after the impact takes a couple of minutes, and the design of the entire system is so successful that some customers have already used it for over 1 million cycles. By the way, Google, NASA, BP, and Shell are on the customer list. Here is another road blocker. The designers focused on mobility and also added wheels to it. The result is a trailer, which is easy to transport to the right place. Then you remove the wheels and install the system. The raised barrier can be up to 1 meter high, and the lifting time is 3.5 seconds, or 1.5 seconds in the improved version. The blocker is PLC friendly, which means that its work can be automated. There is a remote control, and in case of emergency, the barrier can be raised and lowered manually. And additionally, you can help the environment by installing solar panels. Our selection continues with the F-18, not the aircraft, but this modular barrier. The 1 meter high design seems fragile, but has no problem stopping a 12-ton truck at 42 km per hour. One person can handle the installation. No tools or fasteners in the asphalt are needed. Plus, the designers have successfully avoided sharp edges, so the barriers don't interfere with pedestrians and can be used during public events. Convenient boxes are provided for storage and transportation, and if the customer needs to install the barriers as quickly as possible, the company will send their experienced staff. a product to prevent any motorized intruder from endangering an area. The designers modestly write, even though their product can stop not only a car or a truck, but also a tank. In fact, the construction is a slightly modified anti-tank obstacle known as a check hedgehog. Two X-shaped elements are inserted into each other, fixed, and that's it. The smallest version weighs 40 kilograms, the largest weighs 378 kilograms. The height is 0.7 and 1.1 meters respectively. These trucks are made in the Czech Republic and are quite popular. There are clients both in Europe and in the Middle East. The only question that remains is, what have they managed to patent here? Let's of stop stick are doing well too. A proof of that is that over 300,000 police cars are equipped with these devices. The design is very simple. Cartridges with hidden needles are mounted on a special base. This gives a huge scope for creativity. You can connect several bases to each other and cover about 4 meters of the road. Or you can take one cartridge and carefully put it near the wheel of the suspect's car. The needles are about 5 centimeters long, so not even self-sealing tires stand a chance. However, people in the comments wonder what to do if the automotive industry switches to airless tires. After all, a production version from Michelin is already expected in 2024. How do you quickly, easily, and effectively punish those who park their cars illegally? Here's an option from the US. It's called the barnacle, and it's a windshield parking boot. The driver has to pay a fine and get a code that allows them to remove the barnacle. If they decide to drive away without paying or remove the device by brute force, a siren will go off and a GPS beacon will give the police the coordinates. By the way, Once removed, you can't leave the barnacle on the street. You have to take it to a special place or risk getting another ticket. As of 2020, these systems have been tested in some US cities, and the approximate price per unit is $5,000. Next, we have a product from Saudi Arabia with the proud title of Top-Rated Mechanical Tire Killer. The idea is really simple. After installing the killer, you can drive only in one direction. It's an ideal solution for checkpoints. In addition, 2 installation options are available, protruding like a speed bump or at the same level with the asphalt. The standard model covers 1.2 meters of road and comes with 12 5cm high spikes. Custom models are available too. Seems like nothing special, but the list of partners includes Japanese giant Kawasaki. Watch an interesting movie in a few minutes without rewind? Easy.
We got a great-looking audience tonight.
The Sweet Popcorn channel has a mega convenient format waiting just for you. Short retellings of movies, from auteur films to Hollywood blockbusters. Pick up your unlimited ticket by clicking the subscribe button.